Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bunny holding a heart. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil. First of all, draw an oval. And now, draw its ear. This ear is folded. Let's draw some flowers. Here's some leaves. Let's draw some more. Now let's draw its eyes. But its eyes are closed. It has a tiny nose. Now let's draw the heart. Here's its tiny hands. And here's the rest of its body. This is its tail. It has some mustache. Okay, now let's do the outline with the black pen. Let's clean all the pencil marks. For the coloring, I'm using my pink color pen. And now I'm using my pink highlighter pen. For the flower, I'm using red color. And for the heart, I'm using brown color. Okay, now I'm using red color. In the middle, I'm using my red highlighter pen. Wow, it's looking really pretty. Again for the flower, I'm using my red color. For the lips, I will definitely use green. A little bit of pink. And I'm using a dark green color. In the middle of the flower, I'm using yellow. For its tail, I'm using a pale orange color. I will use the same color in its body. My coloring is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.